Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing power and the update file. This prevents bricking. First, ensure battery reads at least 12, 4V, or attach a charger so the head unit stays powered. Next, copy the OEM update file to a FAT32 USB drive and confirm its file name and size. The unit looks for exact names. Once done, insert the USB and set the ignition to ACC. Do not start the engine, so the infotainment system can detect the package and begin initialization. You now perform the flash itself, and you must follow prompts closely. Navigate to Settings, then System Update, and choose USB as the source. The unit verifies model compatibility to avoid wrong firmware. When prompted, accept warnings and confirm you want to install. This commits the right process. During transfer, do not remove the USB, press unrelated buttons, or open vehicle doors that might interrupt power. Let the progress bar reach 100% before you proceed to the next step. Finish by allowing the head unit to reboot and then verify the new software version in About or System Info so you confirm success. Test core functions, audio, Bluetooth navigation, to ensure stability. If the update fails, reformat the USB to FAT32, re-download the exact OEM file, and retry once. Keep update logs or error codes. If problems persist, contact your dealer with the error code and VIN for authenticated recovery. Avoid repeating flashes without support to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.